It's Thursday the 12th of September. Anyway, another great day in Wall Street, following through yesterday's day. Now, it wasn't as strong, but it certainly was a nice follow-through day, and we finished near the highs for the day. Taking a look at some of our swing trades and other stocks we're following closely. Of course, AAOI has been on our list several times in the last couple of years, but this time, after breaking out, we put a swing on it. It set up a nice flag, and then today popped out, getting $1.62 at 12.5%, 4.6 million, the best volume in 5 or 6 days. Looks to me like we're going to be a 16.5, 18, and then $21 targets coming up. APP, LUMN, don't talk about it too often, but what a chart. Look at the long-term pattern. A beautiful long 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth wave is underway. This is a V bottom of the right hand, the extension or cup and handle. It certainly broke out today, targeting 119.20 and 139.40. BYRN tech traded swing after popping and forming a wedge today. It popped out, getting another $2 or 14% roughly. This stock looks great. I like it for a move into the low to mid 20s, maybe even 30 on a longer term basis. EOLS, biotech, strong surge, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth wave broke out today, probably headed towards 18, maybe 19. LUMN with a monster move in July or August, then took a month to consolidate in a coil, maybe coming out. They put a new swing on it. I believe it's going to. If it takes out 6 3/4, it's rock and roll time. Targeting 8.5 and 10. MPW popped a multi-month coil. It did it with some good volume of 46 million shares. Your next target is 6.5. Neon popped 3 weeks ago, and it's been in a rising configuration since. I believe the stock is headed higher in this rising channel. Today, popping out of a coil. It appears to be sending towards the 10.5 range and then 14. And then these popped out. This is now 4 days in a row, but it did back off resistance. Nevertheless, if we can get it up through 1370, I think you're on your way to much higher levels. Netgear with a big breakaway gap on earnings and a breakout of a monster base that it's formed over the last year. Now, potentially, after reaching near resistance today, any move through here, I think the stock going to 25.6. Reverse split stock OBLG spiked today on 38 million shares, ran from 331 to 670, doubled, ended up 78%. The next target zone is in the 8-9 zone. PAYO may be breaking out of a platform after a breakaway gap in a run-up. If it does, the next target is 8 and then 9. PCT, 2 consecutive big up days, breakaway gap yesterday, followed through today, 2 resistance. To get through 8, we're looking at 10 and 12. PLCE, also another monster breakaway day yesterday with a big follow-through day today. Only 15 million compared to yesterday's massive 73 million, but it jumped from 880 to 1237, trading 1122 up 212 after hours at 23% gain, target 16. Palantir, after popping 4 or 5 days ago, is now in an ascending bull mini wedge near the top of the channel, but a pop here could accelerate into the high 30s. ROKU popped out yesterday. We put a swing on it. Bit of a follow through today. I like it. It's at some resistance here at 75, but next target is 82. SMMT breakaway 3 days ago on big volume and a beautiful follow through. Today up another 471 or 21%. This is a new all-time high. May see the stock accelerate a bit. Target 30 and 33. And that's Unity Software, broke out of an inverse head and shoulders today. We put a swing on it. Swing targets now 22 and 25.6. WGS swing continues to push. Today breaking through some key resistance. The next target was 40, but it looks to me I'm going to have to raise that into the 43.4 zone. And finally, WOOF popped yesterday, followed through today. Your target now is 5 3/4 and 7 going forward. That's a look at some of the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Let's call it good night. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow.